Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI NOVA 9 SE. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter biometrics and password. Enter change lock screen password. And as you can see, it was my first type of the password we can set on this phone. Go to change unlock method, and here we've got 4 more. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Let's enter 4-digit PIN. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select custom PIN. Password. And in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can set up face unlock. So let's enter face recognition, confirm, and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint ID. Select unlock device and scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the right edge of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times. Tap OK, lock the phone, and now you'll be able to unlock the phone using your fingerprint. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.